Go figure, right after I made the video painting this thing, something hit it on the highway and broke it. Now I'm going to put a new one on. I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. First I got to pull these things out to remove the headlights on both sides. Pull that out. Pull this one out. Pull the headlight out. Twist this and pull to get the light bulb out. Just stick it in there. Same thing with the headlight. Twist this part, pull it off. Important on the headlight, do not touch it. Do the same thing on the other side. Take out the other headlight. There's some screws here. I'm going to start unscrewing this piece. Put the screws somewhere where you're not going to lose them. So screw up here. Then there's these clip things. Should pop right out. Got to take these all the way out, all the way down. There's more screws hidden under here, so we gotta pop this plastic piece off. Let's pop these things out. Cover off. Can do some work on this rust here, clean this up and repaint it. And here's this rest of the screws holding this thing in. See in here, there's one of those plastic clips holding it in. Gotta pop the clip out. Do the same thing on the other side. looking good. Bust it up. You need a 10mm long socket to remove the nuts that hold the emblem into the old piece. You have to transfer it to the new one because the new one doesn't come with the emblem. Wow, these things are coming out pretty nice for being in there for almost 26 years. Wow, look at that. I wouldn't even call these nuts. Look how thin they are. Cheap. You can see right there it says Ford. This thing's original. It's a shame that it got broken, because I'm sure the replacement is probably made cheaper than this was. This one has a nice thick coating of chrome on it. I'll show you that in a second. Now it should pop right out. Oh, I guess not. There we go. There it is. I'll show you that chrome. See that? Look how thick that is. That's chrome. Of course, I have this whole piece here. I found it inside the truck. I could glue it back, but this piece isn't there anymore. It disappeared. So I'll just change the thing. Seeing it's busted down here. I was driving on the highway, something just, I think I actually saw it, but it happened so fast. I don't even know what hit it. Probably from somebody's car. Got into an accident. Just look how thick that chrome is. It's like that's way thicker than even the that thick aluminum foil that you can get. This is thicker than that. They did a good job making this thing. Put these screws back in. You have to pop that thing into the hole there to line it up. Don't snug the screws all the way yet because you might have to adjust it. Just leave yourself some wiggle room. Actually, I messed up. You have to... That's 2. Since you're watching this, put them on first. Don't mess up like I did. If you do use the rusty primer, you're gonna have to paint some of this white, unless you don't care if the color doesn't match. Come over here, put these screws back in. Put the screws in all the way across.